Alright, so it's Mercury Repairs, back at it again. Little Caesar in there. So this is how you know your lights are not working. When it flashes when you're inside and making a turn, you just hear that little click 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 constantly. And these lights are, it's bad. Alright, so the only tool you'll need for this is the light, of course, and the Phillips screwdriver. Just go ahead and remove it. So we're working on a 2006 Ford Expedition. Just go ahead and remove this bolt. There's only two, this one and this one. Just gonna remove it. Alright, so once you remove those two bolts, just go and wiggle it, pull it out. And the last that's out is this one right here. It's gonna be this one, top one. As you can see, it's burning out. Gonna get the new one on. So yeah, you want to make sure all your lights work. It's very dangerous to drive without your lights working. Alright, so we're gonna get the new one. Go! Alright, so now it's working again. Because turn it back on. There you have it. It's that easy. Make sure this holes right here, these little hooks, go back in there. This thing, same thing on this side. This one, make sure it goes back in there. And the bottom one, make sure it goes back in there. Alright, just gonna put it back in. Just go down and line it. So once you have it aligned, just go ahead and put the two bolts back in. Just gonna put the bolts back in. Alright, so before the lights would go on, but the brakes wouldn't work, or the signal. Now it works. You see? Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright. Catch you in the next one.